Welcome students. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find the tangent line to y equals x cubed using the difference quotient. So remember, the difference quotient is equal to delta y over delta x is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x. Okay, so now we're gonna plug f of x equal to x cubed. So then we're going to get x plus delta x cubed minus x cubed over delta x is equal to, so of course this is delta y over delta x, which is equal to, and then we're gonna expand that. That's equal to x cubed plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus x cubed all over delta x. If you look at the first and the last, this one and this one, they cancel, so that's gonna be equal to 3x squared delta x plus 3 delta x squared plus delta x cubed all over delta x. Now we can cancel the delta x's, one delta x, and that will give us 3x squared plus 3 delta x plus delta x squared. Okay. And now we say as delta x approaches 0, that means that the points of the secant lines approaches are getting very close to each other. This thing here, that means this one becomes approaches 0. That means that the slope of the tangent line is 3x squared. So that will be your answer. Now let me give you one example. Suppose you have a point 1 1 on y equals x cubed, and then that means that the slope is 3 because of the 1 here. That means 3 1 cubed, that's equal to 3. And now we're gonna use the equation. One second. The equation y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1, the Points log form. Equation. That means that we have y minus 1 is equal to 3. That 3 comes from here that we found. Then will be x minus, the 1 comes from here. Okay, and the 1 here comes from here. Now we try to simplify. That will be y is equal to 3x minus 3, and we move this to the other side. That will be plus 1. That will be y is equal to 3x minus 2, and that will be our final equation. 3y is equal to 3x minus 2. That will be our equation of the tangent line. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I hope you like what we did.